The movie starts with the scene of pollution and how humans are destroying other species' habitats. The scene then shifts to China, where a man tells tourists about different animals. He displays a lizard that makes T-Rex's shadows, shows a dog, and says it's a tiger. He puts chicken wings on top of a skeleton, and says he is Batman. He also offers a mermaid, but it's just a doll inside a fish. Sensing the fraud, everyone starts demanding a refund. He tries to calm them and takes them to a room to show something fascinating. On reaching, they find a man in a tub, dressed as a mermaid. Enraged, they throw him out and start beating him. Next, it's shown that there is an auction going on for an island where a person named Liu bids the highest, and gets it. Liu throws a party to celebrate where all the rich people are invited. Liu welcomes them and tells them about his recently bought island. Everyone laughs, saying dolphins are near the island sea, due to which the island is of no use. Liu replies that he has already taken permission from the government to remove dolphins, to which everyone gets shocked. Another man approaches Liu to become his business partner, but Liu refuses. While Liu is near the pool enjoying the girls, a woman named Rulan throws her expensive watch into the pool. She says whoever gets it can have it. All the girls jump into the pool and fight for the watch. Then, Rulan asks Liu to become a partner, to which Liu accepts. As they are about to kiss, a lady named Shan comes out of the pool and interrupts them. Liu's bodyguard starts beating up Shan, but Liu stops them, and seeing this, Rulan leaves. After this, Liu inquires about Shan. She introduces herself and says that she likes him. Liu asks his bodyguard to throw her out, but Shan resists and gives him her contact number and leaves. Shan goes on her skateboard and stops by the shop where she buys stuff and eats a lot of chicken. After that, she reaches a ship which is their temporary home. An old lady is beside the water. Someone asks Shan about their plan, to which Shan replies that she gave Liu her number. At this point, it is revealed that Shan was sent to Liu on a mission. The next day, Liu and his team discuss the project development on his island, where they talk about setting up more powerful sonars than earlier. They can change the frequency and target different species. The scientist also tells them they have found another frequency apart from fishes and dolphins. In the next scene, we see that Shan is a mermaid living together with other mermaids on the ship. They cannot go to the ocean because of the sonar. There is also an octopus that is half human. He tells her that humans are evil. Humans have destroyed habitat by fitting sonar in the ocean, and Liu is blamed for this. They make plans to kill Liu, and they have selected Shan for this as she is beautiful. Elsewhere, Liu spends some time with Rulan after the meeting. She says something bitter to Liu regarding their level of lifestyle. She comes from a wealthy family, but Liu is poor before. She also chastises him for saving Shan earlier. Hearing this, Liu calls Shan in front of Rulan and confirms to pick her up in 10 minutes, which makes Rulan leave. In the meantime, everyone is thrilled and prepared, so they take their spot and get ready to kill Liu. But instead of Liu, his bodyguards are there. The octopus takes a bag full of weapons and hands it to Shan for her to kill Liu. Shan is taken to Liu's workplace, where she goes through a security check. She is successful in clearing the security. Shan spots Liu and follows him to kill him. She attempts many times, but all her attacks reflect on herself. She gets up again and attacks Liu with full force. This time she gets hit by a golf stick and faints right beside Liu. Liu gets startled seeing Shan. He makes her sit at a table and reveals that he called her for no reason. He offers her money and says to leave. She shows no interest in his money, instead says she is hungry and wants Liu to feed her. Liu gets angry and shouts at Shan, but seeing Rulan, he sweetly talks with Shan and gets ready to feed her food. Liu proposes more money to Shan to get rid of her. Shan again refuses and says she wants chicken in her favorite restaurant, to which Liu agrees eventually. As they reach, Shan gets herself a chicken but doesn't see Liu anywhere near. She starts searching for Liu, but not finding him makes her upset. After some time, Liu reaches there with his bodyguards. Shan asks him to eat with her. At first, he hesitates, but they both finish a lot of chicken together. While eating, Liu gets emotional and starts crying. He shares his childhood story with Shan that they were poor. Tough life because of poverty made him work hard, and he became the richest man in the country. After the story, Liu writes a blank check and gives it to her. Annoyed, she throws that check into the fire. Seeing this, Liu becomes angry and asks her what she wants. She tells him that she likes him and wants to spend time with him. They both have a fun time together. Later, Liu drops her and says he loves her. Shan knows all her mermaid friends are waiting to kill Liu, but she tells her friends she cannot do it. Later, Liu invites her to his place again, and everyone is sure Shan will kill him. Shan accepts Liu's invitation and goes to his place. Liu brings flowers for Shan and sits together to grab a meal. As Liu is surrounded by his bodyguards, he orders them to leave. Shan finds this a good time to kill him, but in the meantime, Liu proposes. He gives her a ring and asks her to marry him. Shan gets nervous and tells him that she is there to kill him, but Liu refuses to listen to anything that Shan is saying. and kisses her. Meanwhile, Rulan comes there, so Shan leaves and Liu follows her. In the next scene, the octopus asks Shan why she didn't kill Liu. He suspects that she has started liking Liu. Shan refuses this fact, to which nobody agrees. In the meantime, someone knocks on the door. Shan opens it and sees Liu, who is taken aback to see Shan in her mermaid avatar along with many others. He immediately tries to escape, but the mermaids hit him and hold him hostage. After Liu gains consciousness, the octopus hitting him complains their place has been destroyed due to sonars. Liu says he didn't know and will stop if they let him leave. No one trusts him, and the octopus chokes him. Trying to save Liu, Shan cuts one of the octopus's tentacles and sets him free. She then confesses that she loves him. Liu goes to a police station to complain, but no one believes him. In the next scene, Shan blames herself for this and tries to take her own life, but the old mermaid stops her. On the other hand, we see Liu with Rulan, and he investigates the effects of sonar and realizes that it's harming many species. So he goes to his research center and asks them to test the sonar range on him. He cannot bear it even a bit, and vomits there. Then his secretary says that it is the lowest frequency, and if it's increased, it can kill anyone. He immediately calls for an emergency meeting and asks them to remove all the sonars, but no one agrees. Fortunately, Rulan joins the panel and she agrees with him. Because of this, all the sonars are shut down. Rulan then asks him why he did this. Showing his trust in Rulan, he tells her Shan is a mermaid and is compelled to live with her family on a ship because they are affected by sonar. She laughs at Liu and goes to a secret lab where she has been testing on mermaids for a long time to get their DNA and become the wealthiest person in the world. Liu tries to stop her, but instead, she slaps him and says she'll even kill Shan if he gets in her way. In the next scene, Rulan with her team approaches the ship to catch the mermaids. They start firing in the water to kill the mermaids and also catch Shan. The eldest mermaid uses her power and makes everyone fall in the water. The scientist shoots her with the missile, throwing her to the ocean. She realizes that sonars are turned off, so she calls everyone in the ocean. Hearing this, Shan again trusts Liu as he has removed all the sonars. Everyone starts escaping except Shan, who is much behind. They catch her with a stinger, but it's pretty challenging to control her since they are in the open ocean. Meanwhile, Rulan comes in a helicopter and shoots the most powerful missile on Shan, causing her to be thrown on the seashore. Everyone surrounds her, and Rulan orders them to kill her. As they are about to do so, Liu arrives in the nick of time and saves her. He then confronts them by saying that if someone tries to hurt her, he'll eliminate them. Everyone puts their guns down, but Rulan snatches a gun and shoots her. Liu jumps to protect her and saves Shan by dropping her in the ocean. During this incident, Shan gets to know that Liu loves her in real. After this, the police arrive there and arrest Rulan and her team. In the next scene, a young man comes to meet Liu. He asks him why he donated all his money to protect the environment. Liu replies that if there is no clean water to drink and fresh air to breathe, it would be meaningless no matter how much money you make. He then asks whether mermaids are real, to which Liu denies. The young man asks him about his relationship. He says that he is not waiting for anyone and is in a relationship. Then a beautiful girl walks in, and it's Shan. They are married and living happily. Later we see that Shan and Liu are traveling underwater where other mermaids are also there, and the movie ends.